Welcome to our typography tutorial. In this video, we'll dive into the art of typography and explore various aspects, including font selection, font pairing, and creating visually appealing typography designs. Font selection is a crucial aspect of typography. It sets the tone and personality of your design. Here are some key considerations when choosing fonts. Typeface categories. Fonts are categorized into broad typeface families, such as serif, sans serif, script, display, and more. Each category has its own unique characteristics and conveys a different mood. Explore different categories to find the one that best aligns with your design intent. Readability. Ensure that the chosen font is easily readable, especially for longer passages of text. Legibility is essential for conveying your message effectively. Contrast. Consider creating contrast in your typography by pairing fonts with different characteristics. Combine a serif font with a sans serif font or mix a bold font with a light one to create visual interest and hierarchy. Font pairing involves selecting and combining different fonts that work harmoniously together. Here are some tips for successful font pairing. Contrast and complement. Pair fonts that have contrasting characteristics, such as combining a bold, geometric sans serif with a delicate, cursive script. This creates visual interest and enhances readability. Hierarchy. Establish a clear visual hierarchy by using different font styles, weights, and sizes. Use a bold or uppercase font for headings and a regular or italic font for body text to differentiate the levels of importance. Consistency. Maintain consistency in your font choices throughout your design. Too many different fonts can create visual chaos and diminish the overall impact of your typography. Now, let's explore techniques to create visually appealing typography designs. Kerning and tracking. Adjust the spacing between individual characters, kerning, and the overall letter spacing, tracking. Fine-tuning these aspects enhances the readability and overall aesthetics of your typography. Alignment. Ensure that your text is aligned properly. Use left, right, center, or justified alignment based on the design and intended message. Consistent alignment brings a sense of order and balance to your typography. Hierarchy and scale. Vary the size and weight of your fonts to establish hierarchy. Make important headings larger and bolder, while keeping body text smaller and lighter. This guides the viewer's attention and improves readability. Visual elements. Experiment with adding decorative elements, such as lines, shapes, or ornaments, to enhance your typography design. These elements can complement the text and add visual interest. And there you have it, our typography tutorial. Remember, font selection, font pairing, and attention to design details are key to creating visually appealing typography. So, explore, experiment, and have fun with typography in your designs.